is something really special. Here is something I know that Tara was really excited about, because these trees are limited edition. You get the set of 2. They come on this beautiful, beautiful stand where you could take them off or leave them on the stand. They can also be candle holders. So every single thing has multi-function, but topped with that amazing cardinal, which for so many of us has a lot of meaning. $42.98 for both, and would be a beautiful addition onto your mantle or on your tablescape as well. H222980. These are also brand new today. They will ship out to you August 31st. You don't have to wait too much longer, right, to get these. Tara, I know these are really near and dear to your heart. Why don't, almost from top to bottom, kind of share what makes these so special for you?
My mouth. So I love that at the very top of the tree is a beautiful cardinal. I do a cardinal in honor of my father. And I know many people look to cardinals as signs for those who have passed. So I love that at the very top, but we also added a little whimsy, and of course we put a sweet little hat on top. But I love with the resin that you truly can get all of the detail from the feathers, from the look of it. And then as we come down that tree, it's so beautiful in the fact that it's wrapped in that gorgeous polka dot ribbon, but look at the gold accent that you see on the boughs. Look at the pine cone that literally looks like you could pluck it right off. The attention to detail that you can get with these sculptural pieces. Of course, this is in resin as well, so lightweight, meant to be used together or separate. I love the berries there, the sprig of the holly, all the way down 360 degrees. Everything has been touched with a paintbrush, with a look, with the tipping of the gold. And then when you get down to the very bottom, to the base, you have that red, beautiful pop of white. And I love what you just did. You take that tree off, it sits flat on your table. I designed it that way. And now you can put a 3-inch base candle there, a pillar. And you can also use it to hold your tapers. So now you can truly tablescape down your table, where you have the 2 trees anchoring and you have the 2 beautiful taper candles anchoring as well. So you can create that scene, and you're getting both of these, and they come in a great gift box if there's someone on your list that you would love to gift this to. I have a feeling when you get it at home. I was so excited about this. If you pick up one thing in the show, this would be my absolute pick. They're limited edition. Nothing in the show is coming back for the rest of the year. So if we do lose something, we don't have plans to bring them back. And these are those really sweet pieces that you can layer in, maybe on your mantle where you have some of your other pieces. Again, they're just beautiful on their own, or they're certainly stunning down the center of your table.
So Tara, I have a goal in my house, and that's to get as many Christmas trees as possible. And I'm finding a loophole. So when my husband and I first got married, it's like we had 1 tree. He's like, Allie, you have 1 tree in the house. And I was like, oh, you have a lot to learn about me. And then slowly we've been adding more. Last year he let me put up 2 trees. Well, here's my loophole. Now you could get these, and then I could have trees all over the house, right? But it is that beautiful hint of color, the metallic. So whether you go a little bit more whimsical or a little more elegant, this will go either way. Over 200 of you have already picked these up. They're brand new. And as Tara said, she's probably not going to bring any more of these back. But remember, the tree can come off. Now you have your candle holder, your pedestal. So this is really like tablescaping made easy. Because I know sometimes, Tara, I go onto Pinterest or I see in the magazines these like amazing tablescapes, and I think, oh gosh, like how am I gonna do that? How am I gonna do that? I gotta buy a million pieces. Well, this already really becomes like your foundation, and then you probably have a few other little things you could sprinkle in, whether it's little trees or, little bells that you add along the table and your table runner, and it just makes it perfect. Here we've done it kind of, flanking the TV, right? Maybe it is along that mantle. I think you will love having this set in your home. It is a limited edition. It'll ship out to you on August 31st. We've got 5 easy payments of $8.60. So now I did say we had a grand finale, which we did, but now we have a standing ovation. So bringing back one of your favorites of the show to take another closer look. We spoke with Bob from Florida earlier, and this is what he picked up over